In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set Spotify songs as ringtone. Now, if you want to set Spotify songs to be your ringtone, ensure that you watch the video to the very end so that you may not make any mistake. So first of all, you need to open your Spotify app. Then you need to choose the song that you want to set as your ringtone. Or you can search, you can come to the search icon and you can search the song that you want to set as your ringtone. Or you can just go to your library, the songs that you have, you can choose. So let's say you want to set this song as your ringtone, you just click on those three dots at the top right corner. And then you will be able to see the options. We have add to playlist, and we also have sleep timer. You can set your sleep timer according to the way you will want. And if you really need to set it as your ringtone, as you see here, there's no option for setting as ringtone. But if you need to set it as your ringtone, you need to download the song first using the premium option. At this place you will see premium. You need to use the premium in order to download the song. See, download to listen offline. So you need to download it. You need to subscribe to the premium, and then you'll be able to download the song in your phone, and then you'll be able to set it as your ringtone. That's it, guys. That's how you can set Spotify songs as your ringtone. If this video really helped you out, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also to like the video. I'll see you in the next one.